Yo, 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 and happy Valentine's Day. I mean, it's the season to celebrate love, and be lovers, and see, do, and eat, you know what, blah, 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 blah. So on. Anyways, so it's no secret that the best gifts come from the kitchen. And so step into my kitchen and I'll show your kitchen 2 easy yet decadent treats to impress your Valentine or yourself. Welcome to my kitchen of love. First one is red velvet cake balls. All the decadence of the cake in bite-sized form. Get yourself some red velvet cake mix. Yes, from a box. I mean, you can make it from scratch, but that'll take the easy out of it. Okay, and then prepare the cake according to the instructions. Now you can move the cake into a bowl to make the next step easier, or you can just leave it in the cake pan as it is. Now, what we're gonna do is take out a bit of frustration and we're gonna attack the cake. Yes! Now you want it to be a pile of cake crumbs. That looks perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add about 3/4 of the contents of a container of cream cheese frosting to the crumbs. You can use a spoon, but I mean, come on, just get in there. Use your hands and mix everything really well. And if you feel you need more frosting, then add a little bit more frosting. Now we're just going to take about a tablespoon amount and roll this into balls. And then these we're gonna set on a baking sheet lined with either wax paper or parchment paper. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna set these in the refrigerator to chill for about 15 minutes. All right, now we're gonna melt some white chocolate at 30-second intervals until it's nice and smooth, stirring in between each interval. Now, we're just going to dip the balls in the chocolate to coat. And then we're just gonna place these on a baking sheet. Now, you can allow these to set at room temperature, or you can just place them in the fridge for faster chilling. And you're done. Perfect little balls of cake. And the second one is Oreo truffles. Yeah, I know, it sounds fancy, but it's like 3 ingredients. You got this. All right, so we have a package of Oreos, and I'm gonna place these in a food processor and process them into crumbs. If you don't have a food processor, no big. You can place them into a plastic bag and then with a rolling pin or a heavy pot, release some frustrations and pound them into crumbs. Right now, we're just gonna take some of the crumbs to garnish later. And then the rest of the crumbs we're going to add to a block of softened cream cheese. That's 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then again, with your spoon or your hands, mix well. Then we're gonna roll these into balls. And then we're gonna place these on a baking sheet. And then these go into the fridge for 15 minutes to chill. Then I have some milk chocolate that I'm going to melt in the microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring between each interval until smooth. And then we just dip the balls in the chocolate to coat. Place these back on the baking sheet. And then these can either set at room temperature, or you can place them in the fridge for faster chilling. And there you have bite-sized deliciousness in a bowl. Happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below what your plans are for Valentine's Day, if you'll definitely make these, or hashtag Single Awareness Day. What? Or you can just comment below, that's fine too. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for joining me, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.